Imagine jet-setting to your dream destination, staying in luxurious hotels and dining at the finest restaurants, all without spending a dime. Sounds like a fantasy, right? Well, it's time to make that fantasy a reality. In this video, we're uncovering the top 5 travel credit cards that charge no annual fee, but pack a punch with amazing rewards. Get ready to discover how your everyday purchases can turn into unforgettable travel experiences. Number 5, Chase Freedom Unlimited, the everyday hero. Every swipe, every purchase, every cup of coffee. What if they could all take you one step closer to your next vacation? The Chase Freedom Unlimited card is your ultimate companion for effortless rewards. Here's why it's a must-have. 5% cash back on travel booked through Chase Trav. Every flight and hotel stay puts more money back in your pocket. 3% cash back at restaurants and drugstores, because why not earn rewards while enjoying your favorite meals and essentials? 1.5% cash back on everything else. No matter what you buy, you're always earning. And here's the real kicker. During your first year, you get an extra 1.5% cash back on everything, up to $20,000. That's like having a secret weapon in your wallet, working overtime to maximize your rewards. Imagine using your cash back to fund your next adventure. With the Chase Freedom Unlimited, you're not just earning rewards, you're planning your next escape. Number 4, CapitalOne Venture-One rewards for the flexible traveler. For those who crave simplicity and flexibility, the CapitalOne Venture-One rewards card is a game changer. Forget about tracking categories or worrying about annual fees. This card makes earning travel rewards as easy as it gets. Here's why you'll love it. 5x miles on hotels and car rentals, booked through CapitalOne Travel, perfect for those spontaneous getaways. 1.25x miles on every purchase. No need to juggle categories, just consistent rewards every time you swipe. 20,000 bonus miles after spending $500 in the first 3 months. That's $200 in travel rewards, just for using your card as you normally would. Whether you're booking a last-minute road trip or a weekend in the city, the CapitalOne Venture-One rewards card gives you the freedom to travel your way without any hassle. Number 3, Wells Fargo autograph card. Triple the fun, triple the rewards. If you love dining out, fueling up for road trips, or just enjoying your favorite streaming services, the Wells Fargo autograph card was made for you. It's all about rewarding you for the things you already love doing. Here's what makes it stand out. 3x points on dining, travel, gas, streaming services, and more. Earn triple the points on your favorite activities. 1x points on everything else. Every purchase helps you rack up rewards faster. 20,000 bonus points after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months. That's an easy $200 towards your next adventure. Plus, with extras like cell phone protection and no foreign transaction fees. This card doesn't just reward your lifestyle, it enhances it. Triple points mean triple the rewards. Whether you're filling up your tank, grabbing dinner, or catching the latest episode of your favorite show, the Wells Fargo Autograph and CMM card turns your everyday habits into extraordinary rewards. Number 2, Discover It Miles, the Simplicity King. Simplicity can be powerful, especially when it comes to earning travel rewards. The Discover It Miles card is designed for those who prefer a straightforward, no-nonsense approach to racking up miles. Here's why this card is a winner. 1.5x miles on every purchase. No categories to track, just consistent rewards for every dollar you spend. At the end of your first year, Discover matches all the miles you've earned. If you earn 30,000 miles, Discover will double it to 60,000. It's like getting a surprise bonus at the end of the year. This card is perfect for anyone who values simplicity and wants to earn big rewards without the hassle. If you're all about keeping things simple while still maximizing your rewards, the Discover It Miles card is your go-to. No fuss, no stress, just pure earning power. Number 1, Bank of America Travel Rewards for Students, the starter pack for young explorers. Are you a student dreaming of your next adventure but working with a tight budget? The Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card for students is the perfect way to start earning travel rewards while building your credit. Here's why it's ideal for students. 1.5x points on every purchase. Whether it's textbooks or late-night pizza, every purchase gets you closer to your next trip. 25,000 bonus points after spending $1,000 in the first 90 days. That's $250 you can put towards your next vacation. This card is the ultimate starter pack for young travelers looking to explore the world without breaking the bank. Imagine booking your spring break trip without even touching your savings. With the Bank of America Travel Rewards for Students, you can explore the world on a student budget while earning valuable rewards. Time to start earning. These 5 credit cards offer incredible opportunities to turn your everyday spending into unforgettable travel experiences. Whether you're looking for simplicity, flexibility, or maximum rewards, there's a card here that's perfect for you. So why wait? Start earning today and let your next adventure be on the house.